Well, he says, "Hi aparad." He's saying, if you frighten someone or scare someone, that's an aparad. Unless, of course, you're preaching Krishna consciousness. Saying, listen, the way you're acting, you're going to hell. The Yamadutas are going to gobble you up. So you might scare someone to awaken into Krishna consciousness. But he's feeling bad. Lord Chaitanya, in retrospect, after he came out of this sporti and this absorption, this avesh, wore off, so to speak, and he returned to his Vishwambar Nadia Bhav, Pandit Bhav, then he felt some remorse, vishad. Vishad means morose, or feeling sad over what happened. I didn't really want to make anyone afraid. Shivas Pralena Jay Tomara Namalai Tarakoti Aparada Sabahayakshai. Shivas replied, anyone who takes your holy name vanquishes 10 million of his offenses immediately. Koti Aparad Sabahayakshai.